Ladies and gentlemen, we are back for another beautiful day in Jimny country. That was a kind of weird intro. Now, anyway, there's two types of Jimneys. Jimny number 1, you've got a back seat. Jimny number 2, you do not have a back seat. I have Jimny number 2. I do not have a back seat. Why don't I have a back seat? Emissions on this car is pretty high. Like, we're not going to get this car into Europe without paying hefty fines high. So Suzuki played it pretty smart and said, well, let's remove the back seat and let's call it a cargo van. You don't have to pay any taxes on a cargo van. Just remove the back seat. Makes no sense, I know. Anyway, but we have a little situation if you have the light version, the cargo van version. If you want to go have some fun times and have an adventure and want to sleep in your Jimny, you're gonna run into some issues. Or if you're on a date and you want to have some sexy time with your girlfriend, you want to fold the seat down back, you're gonna have an issue. With the older models, with the first models, with the back seat, you could just get this thing out and flip it all the way down. Now, as I said in the previous video, I'm not a chiropracticist or whatever those guys are called. This is not good for your back. So, you're going to have to fabricate something or cut a piece out of that so we can drop this seat a little bit more and get some more comfort. As I don't really know what I'm doing right now, and this is all fresh, I'm just gonna tear it all, everything apart. Just gonna get it all out. I'm sitting on a tow hook. Ah, my ass. I'm just going to fold the seat down, just use a pen and see where I have to cut, and I'm just going to cut that part off. The thing I'm using is this kind of vibration grinder, whatever they call this thing in English. It's a multitasker, not really sure, but it's got this funny looking thing, and yeah, it doesn't turn, it just vibrates, and it's going to get through this like butter, I think. But safety first. The edges a little bit on the rough side, looks pretty decent. Use a sharp blade and just scrape off the sides. One done, gonna do the other one just in case I need to fold down 2 seats. Now, like I said, I'm not a camping expert, but yeah, if I put like those inflatable mattresses on here, it's going to work just fine. That's how I modified my Jimny to put the seat down. Now, as you can tell, it doesn't really go all the way down because still have to cut that little board. It's just this tiny plastic layer with a piece of fabric on it, so pretty easily to cut. Anyway, that's how I modified my Jimny to overnight, spend some nights in the woods, in the forest, and that's about it. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers, peace.